Decor Designs, your go-to channel for all things home decor and design. Today, we're delving into the innovative backyard slope landscaping ideas and tips to maximize your outdoor backyard slope space for a stunning transformation. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Are you struggling with a sloping backyard that feels like a challenge rather than an opportunity? Fear not. In this video, we'll explore the art of backyard slope landscaping, turning your seemingly difficult terrain into a stunning outdoor oasis. From understanding the basics to implementing expert design tips, we'll guide you through creating a space that's both functional and visually appealing. What is backyard slope landscaping design? Backyard slope landscaping is the practice of transforming a sloped area into a well-designed and attractive outdoor space. It involves careful planning, considering factors like soil erosion, drainage, and overall aesthetic appeal. By incorporating appropriate plants, structures, and design elements, you can create a harmonious and inviting environment. Designing your backyard slope landscape offers numerous benefits. Firstly, it helps prevent soil erosion, protecting your property from damage. Secondly, it enhances the overall curb appeal of your home. Thirdly, a well-designed slope can provide a variety of outdoor living spaces, such as terraces, seating areas, or even a water feature. Lastly, it allows you to showcase your personal style and create a unique outdoor retreat. How should you decorate your backyard slope landscaping design? Decorating your backyard slope involves a combination of art and science. Here are some key considerations. 1. Plant selection. Choose plants that are suitable for your climate and soil conditions. Consider factors like sun exposure, drainage, and the overall aesthetic you desire. 2. Pathways and terraces. Create pathways and terraces to navigate the slope and provide different levels of interest. Use materials like stone, brick, or wood to complement your design. 3. Water features. Incorporate water features like ponds, fountains, or waterfalls to add a soothing element and attract wildlife. 4. Outdoor living spaces. Design comfortable seating areas, dining spaces, or even a fire pit to enjoy your outdoor oasis. 5. Lighting. Illuminate your backyard slope to create a magical atmosphere and extend your enjoyment into the evening. Here are some essential items to consider for your backyard slope landscaping project. 1. Retaining walls. Retaining walls help stabilize slopes and create defined areas for planting. 2. Ground covers. Ground covers provide erosion control and add color and texture to your landscape. 3. Ornamental grasses. Grasses offer a variety of textures and heights, adding visual interest to your slope. 4. Shrubs and trees. Shrubs and trees can provide shade, privacy, and vertical interest. 5. Decorative rocks. Rocks can be used to create pathways, borders, and focal points. 6. Outdoor furniture. Comfortable and stylish furniture will enhance your outdoor living experience. 7. Outdoor lighting. Choose appropriate lighting fixtures to illuminate your slope and create ambience. 8. Water features. Ponds, fountains, or waterfalls can add a soothing element and enhance the overall aesthetic. 9. Decorative containers. Containers can be used to add pops of color and texture to your landscape. 10. Mulch. Mulch helps retain moisture, suppress weeds, and improve soil health. And to complete your inspiration, here these the compilation of the top 10 backyard slope landscaping design ideas that you can try to apply for your next project. 1. Terraced gardens. Create distinct levels on your slope for various planting zones. Terraces can be made with retaining walls, stone steps, or natural materials. 2. Water features. Incorporate a waterfall, stream, or pond to add a soothing element and attract wildlife. The sound of flowing water can also mask unwanted noise. 3. Pathways and steps. Wind a pathway through your slope to create a sense of exploration. Choose materials that complement your overall design, such as stone, brick, or wood. 4. Retaining walls. Stabilize the slope and create defined areas with retaining walls. Consider materials like stone, brick, or treated wood. 5. Ground covers. Plant low-growing ground covers to prevent erosion and add color. Options include ivy, thyme, or creeping phlox. 6. Ornamental grasses. Add texture and movement with ornamental grasses. Varieties like miscanthus, feather reed grass, or pampas grass can be striking focal points. 7. Shrubs and trees. Choose plants that are suitable for your climate and soil conditions. Consider their size, shape, and flowering habits when selecting shrubs and trees. 8. Outdoor living spaces. Create comfortable seating areas or dining spaces on your slope. Consider adding a fire pit or outdoor kitchen for added functionality. 9. Lighting. Illuminate your slope to create a magical atmosphere and extend your enjoyment into the evening. Choose weather-resistant fixtures that complement your design. 10. Vertical gardens. Maximize space by creating vertical gardens. Use wall-mounted planters or living walls to showcase a variety of plants. Transforming your backyard slope into a beautiful and functional outdoor space is achievable with careful planning and design. By following the tips and ideas presented in this video, you can create a stunning landscape that you'll enjoy for years to come. Remember, the key to success is to consider your personal style, climate, and the specific characteristics of your slope. Start your backyard slope landscaping journey today. Visit our website for more inspiration and resources. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Homes Decor Designs, for regular updates and expert advice. Again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel